Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to install Docker in Linux. From now on, I am going to use Docker in my projects. So let's start our work. I use Linux VPS for this. I put link of my GitHub repository. It contains all commands we need here. First we need to get root access. Next we need to use Docker installation script. Let's download it. Let's run downloader script. This will take some time. Now let's verify everything is working perfectly. For that, let's run hello world docker image. You can see hello from docker text. This means everything is working perfectly.